In this quick video, I will show you how to install and set up Google Authenticator app on your phone. And the most important step at the end that makes it easy to recover your codes or transfer to new phone. So don't skip it. Let's go to App Store. Here we got an option to get Google Authenticator on our phone. Let's get it. Once installed, let's go ahead and tap on open. Okay, it's showing stronger security with Google Authenticator. Get verification code for all of your account using two-step verification. Let's get started. Welcome to Google Authenticator. Sign in to backup your codes to Google account. For now, we are doing a fresh setup. I will show you this tip at the end that how we can add a backup account. Let's go ahead and use Authenticator without an account. Now here we got two methods. Add a code or sign in. I have already opened the code on my laptop, so let's go ahead and tap on add a code. Here we want to scan a QR code, allow access, and here is the code I got on my Google Authenticator app. Perfect. And here my account is added to my Google Authenticator app. On the laptop, let's go and click on next. Now here we got the option to add the 6-digit code we got on Authenticator app. 179775. Let's go ahead and verify it. Now I am ready to click on turn on authentication for this email account. Before you close the app, this is most important step to avoid losing access if your phone is ever lost or changed. On the top right, we have a cloud icon. If you click on that cloud icon, this is showing your codes are not being saved to your Google account. To save your code to Google account, please tap on top right icon of your profile, and here you will get an option of your Gmail account that are already added to your mobile phone. Now it's up to you if you want to add any of them, and if you don't want to add from the list, just go ahead and tap on add another account. That's fine. Continue. Now here you have to log in to the Google account that you want to keep your codes always up to date. Let me give account here. Okay, perfect. You can see here this is asking me that you want to start saving code to this account. Yes, I want to allow it. Now if I click on this cloud icon, it's showing your codes are syncing. See here that my codes are being saved to Google account. Now if I lost this phone, or if I got a new phone, that will be very easier and simpler for me to set up my Google Authenticator on a new phone without losing any access. That's it about today's video. Now we have installed Google Authenticator, we have added our first account, and most importantly, we set it up the right way with recovery enabled. Make sure to like this video if this helped you, and leave a comment if you have got any questions. And get ready, in the next videos I will show you how to recover your codes without old phone and how to transfer Google Authenticator safely to a new device. So hit the subscribe and turn the bell on. Thank you for watching.